Hello everyone, and welcome to a live from the slightly improvised workshop. As you can see, this is not my usual workshop. I'm actually sat in my parents' garden. As you may know, on the way to Sweden, we are living with them for 6 weeks. So, but this still gives me the opportunity to do some model making in a nice, pleasant surrounding. So, hopefully the sound quality on this is going to be okay. It's a little bit windy today, but I'm fairly sheltered, so hopefully I should be alright. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be making a cyber controller, but this is going to be the cyber controller as seen in Attack of the Cybermen. So, first things first that I need to do, I'm using a cheap stealth Cyberman figure for this. So I've stripped it down to its parts. Obviously I do need to spray paint it silver. But first things first is to modify the head, trim some bits off and sculpt on the new crown with some milliput. So we shall start off with that. Okay, and here is the finished cyber controller. So I'm quite pleased with how this has come out. Obviously it's just been resprayed. There's a few small bits of paint chip that I need to go over where the black shows underneath, but it's the dome I'm really pleased with. Obviously I've just given that a going over with an orange paint underneath, red paint underneath, and then just giving it over with an orange, brushed off the excess. All the veins are just done on with purple, and then I've just literally just used the silver paint to brush on to give it a sort of faded in effect and over the top, and then obviously it's all just been repainted on the back. I've used blue tack just to cover over, although there is a little bit of paint which I need to scrape off which came on there, but overall I'm actually really pleased with how it's come out. It's certainly interesting to film it in a different location, and this is all, if you could see what's going on out here, it's all very sort of haphazard. I've had to loop things over windows and things, but you can't see that, and I don't intend to show that because it doesn't look very good. But hopefully, eventually I will have my desk back, or by the time you see this, I might actually have my desk back, in which case the next Live from the Workshop you see, or a future one, will actually be doing a full preview of my new desk setup, or possibly just another temporary different desk setup. As I said before, I'm having to pre-record all of these, so I don't know exactly where I'm going to be, but that is my finished Cyber controller, and that is the video for now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favorite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot. I salute you all, and I will see you with another video very soon.